Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Stephany, and for today's video, I am going to be unboxing what I picked up from Cafecito Designs during the Planner Boss Collective sale, which was back in April. So her shop was 30% off, so let's go ahead and take out the items. Look at this beautiful packaging. I love her color scheme, so let's go ahead and take these out. Oh, look at this freebie. Okay, perfect. So let's go ahead and put this off to the side. So before I get into these items, I did want to let you know that the June sub box is now open for enrollment. The theme is Pan Dulce Market, and I'll go ahead and put the graphics here so you guys can see the beautiful collection. And so signups are from the 10th through the 20th, and then boxes will begin to ship between the 21st and the 25th. And then after your initial payment, charges are rendered on the 9th of the month. And if for any reason there are any extra items available, they'll be listed on the shop on the 1st of the month. And of course, you are able to cancel or skip your subscription if you would like. And then you're able to choose between standard vertical, which is $33.50, or Hobinichi Weeks or Hobonichi Cousin, which are $25. But this collection is so beautiful. I cannot wait to receive my sub box. And then I also wanted to mention that Friday, May 12th, Linda is celebrating her birthday. So she's going to have a birthday sale and she's going to have a brand new release. So if you guys want to save 30% off, make sure that you guys shop on Friday. And then don't forget to mention my code Stephany10 in the notes section so you guys can receive my freebies. So lots of things going on with Cafecito Designs. So let's go ahead and get started. All of the information will be linked down in the description box below so you guys can check her out. So let's go ahead and dive into this one. What? Oh, yes, I remember. So I went ahead and picked up this cute little tote. I love her shop colors. I love like the teal, the pink, and look at this beautiful graphic of the cafecito, and then the pan over here, some papel picado, and then the straps are pink. So let's look at the back. Oh, it has the same design. Oh, I love that. So it's a decent sized bag. Wow, this is going to be perfect. I do have some of her shirts as well, and I am always wearing those. So here is the tote bag. Maybe we can put it off to the side here. And then this was somewhat of a new item in her shop, which is going to be the pan and cafecito mug. And then look at the pink handle. Oh my gosh, the inside is pink, and look at that, some papel picado across. And then we have, of course, the pan dulce. Here's that washi cutter. Oh, I love that. And then some cafecito, and then just pan all the way around. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to drink my coffee in the morning with this one. Okay, so then I also picked up this Unicorn Sparkle Collection bundle. It is super adorable. So let's go ahead and dive in. And look at this wrapping. It is really pretty. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty it is. So the unicorns are actually conchas. Isn't that so adorable? Wow. Oh, and look at this one. Fresh picked strawberries, like a little journaling card. And then here is the washi to the collection. I love the quotes on this one too. So we have the unicorns, the rainbow florals, stars in foil. And then let's go ahead and get into this one. So we are also going to get a journaling card with this. And I believe every single collection includes this journaling card here. Here it is. Oh my gosh, I cannot get over how adorable the conchas are with like the whole unicorn setup. And then the rainbow. I love the pastel colors. So here is this deco sheet. And it says, sparkle like a unicorn, leave a little sparkle wherever you go, believe in your own magic. And then we have like this corner strip of like torn paper, the rainbows, the flowers. And then we also get the deco boxes. And then we have the same quotes here. I really love this pastel color scheme. And then this right here is like little header covers. And then we got that full box right here. And then here are some decorative boxes. And again, we have that strip right here. So yeah, I love both options. And then we have the dates. So Monday through Sunday, we do get 4 weeks here. And then we also get to do and this week. And then here are some checklists, some bullet points, some flags, some teardrops, and then some blank boxes here. And then we also get a 3x3 box, some more checklists, and then the dates. And then over here, this one would be for like your monthly view. And so we're going to have dates again and the washi strip here and then bills to pay and then some more blank boxes. So isn't this collection so pretty? So I just knew that I had to pick it up. I don't have this collection. I feel like I have every other collection besides this one too. I should have picked it up because yeah, this strawberry collection is very pretty. And because it's pink, of course, I love it. So let's see. Let's open this one. So it says PBC sell freebies. I actually don't even know what were the freebies. Kind of wanted to be surprised. Okay, so lots of washi here. This is from a different collection. Some washi tapes. Ooh, grid washi. This is foiled cafecito and pan. And then, so we have the gold foil and then like the hollow foil over here. Beautiful. You can never have too many washi, right? And then, let's see. Okay, so more stickers, and of course we love that. So look at this cafecito and pan. And then we have, but first, cafecito and pan dulce. Beautiful colors. Oh my gosh, look at this one. I love that. It is like my washi cutter. So we have it here in this teal color, and I know that I have it in the pink one as well. But can I find it? Of course not. Oh, here it is under some things over here. So yeah, I picked up her washi cutter in the pink and the teal color. I just loved both options, so I knew that I had to get them. So I love this sticker. Here is like her fruit collection. Oh, and look at that. Oh, this one had it too. Oh my gosh, those are pretty. And then we have Selena. That's so pretty. Okay, and then, oh, look at this. Wow, this is really pretty. I forget what she called this. Like a pocket? Is that what it was? Yes, look, it's a little pocket. Oh yeah, I love this. Wow. I am so happy with everything that I ordered. I cannot wait to use this little unicorn collection. Everything is just so pretty. So yeah, stay tuned for a plan with me with these items. I can't wait to use my mug and my tote bag. So yeah, if you guys are interested in signing up for the June sub box, make sure that you guys enroll from the 10th through the 20th. And like I said, everything will be linked down in the description box below. Make sure that you check out her shop on Friday, May 12th, so you guys can shop a brand new collection and receive 30% off of your order. Don't forget to mention Stephany10 in the notes section so you guys can receive my cute little freebie. But for now, I love everything that I picked up. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.